Alright, I want to talk about a couple of tricks and tips of keeping your guitar in tune. One thing is when you put new strings on a guitar, whether it's acoustic or electric, one thing to remember is you have to stretch those strings. If you don't stretch them properly, they're going to keep going out of tune when you stretch them or just by playing them. One way to wear it in is just by playing and stretching it like that. But a more articulate way to do it, I would say, is to take your low E string like this, okay, grab a hold of it and start high, like say on your octave E, and pull like this, okay? Then move up the neck and just randomly follow your hand all the way up and really yank it. Really get aggressive with it, because that's what's going to stretch these strings out. You see how I'm going flat? I'll do some more. These are not brand new, but you'll notice if you're putting brand new strings on, the more you stretch it, the more you play it, the better it stays in tune. So you take your low E, get in there and really, you see where I'm yanking on it, but I'm moving up the neck and fretting with my left hand. Okay? That's just a thing I do when I put on new strings. Now it's not going out of tune, you notice that? Let's try the A string and see what happens. So I'm really getting aggressive by pulling and fretting all the way up. Like that. So, hear that? Went a whole step down or a half step down. Same thing on the D string here. Same thing, I'm fretting high and low, moving up the neck, and getting fairly aggressive with it now. Hear that? And then let's do the G string, same thing. Move up and down. And again, these are not brand new strings, but still, I'm making them go out of tune. Now finally the B, same thing. Then it's going to get easier as you go higher. The higher strings are a little bit easier to pull and bend. Now let's see if we can make that high E go flat just by moving and stretching. Now you want to go a little bit easier, especially if you're with electric strings with 9s or 10s or even 11s. You don't want to, if you pull hard enough, you'll break the string. So, but still you have to get aggressive with it. Hear that? Listen. Now I'm gonna use a tuner now. I'm looking at a tuner. If you haven't got a tuner, you should have one by now. Unless you're like my friend Dan, who has perfect pitch. We tend to use tuners. So that's a kind of primary lesson on if you're changing new strings, or even if you have strings that have been on a bit and they're not properly stretched. You want to get in there and really stretch those strings out. Doesn't matter if you're on acoustic or electric. It's going to make your playing a lot more enjoyable, and I hope this helps you for a beginning tuning course.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.